Welcome. If you want to set up face unlock on your XIAOMI Redmi K30s, at first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down and find passwords and the security. Click on the face unlock, input your current keylog method, read the description, and after a few seconds we can click next. So we have to keep our face in the circle. Don't move your face. Of course it will be better if you don't have something like microphone or other things in front of your face, between the camera and your face, so the scan will be much faster. Okay, let's click done. After that we can lock device and try to unlock, and as you can see face was recognized, so right now we can simply swipe to open, and that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya.